How to delete your comment on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can delete your comments on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application, then make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to delete any comments, first of all, let's search all the comments that you have commented till now. To do that, tap on three-bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then under Content and Display, you will see an option that says Activity Center. Tap onto it. Here tap on Comment History. It will display all the comments that you have posted. Tap on any one of them. And in order to delete this, long tap onto it and tap on to delete. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.